There was an incident in the UK where a person who was a former Russian spy was killed. That was in 2018. Another guy that was trying to run for presidency in Russia that was also killed in a mysterious circumstance. And these agents that are used there, you can't see them. It's hard to identify. They do not smell. Now, in a country like, let's say, for example, in South Africa, there's going to be a G20 summit that is coming. Where everyone is flocking. Let's say a person is trying to develop a policy to prepare their team and how to manage this. What do they do?
I like what you spoke of, that incident about the Russian spy who was killed in UK. I mentioned it in one of the papers, in simulation scenarios. It includes visitors that came from multiple countries for an event. And for regular clinician, let's say on the road, we work every day, or emergency department, that might look like something normal, but all of them, they have the sign of symptoms that we know them: diarrhea and vomiting and convulsion. But actually, when you see a lot of people that they share the same sign and symptoms, it means that most probably it's a CBRN incident. It's an attack, biological agent here. And there will be always this attempt of someone trying to kill the other person. When they are not able to convince you with something, their aim is to convince you with force. And in order to do this, they try to make you feel with fear, to feel their strength. Let's be honest, we have those people everywhere. They choose actually these specific events, like when everyone is there, or people from multiple countries, to do it. They do it to kill as much as possible or to harm. In order to be successful in your preparedness plan, you need to consider this happening. And this is actually what the history taught us. As I said, Japan, that's one of them. And there are multiple events in every single country in the world until recently. CBRN are not like the other weapon that you can detect them. They are undetectable. So like the incident that was used in Russian to kill the spy, it was just in perfume, you can never detect that it's there. So anthrax before also was undetectable in US in 2001. So all of this material, CBRN materials, they are undetectable.